Nvidia just dropped an absolute nuke on the open source AI community. While the world has been hyper-focused on OpenAI and Anthropic, Nvidia quietly released a 128 billion parameter monster designed specifically to solve the biggest problem in artificial intelligence right now: the context explosion. When you run autonomous multi-agent systems, they pass massive amounts of data back and forth. Standard models buckle under this weight, suffering from goal drift and massive memory tax. Enter Nemotron-3 Super. This is a highly optimized 1 million token context reasoning engine. It packs 128 billion total parameters, but efficiently activates only 32 billion per token, giving you the raw intelligence of a frontier model at a fraction of the compute cost. To pull this off, Nvidia had to completely rethink the underlying architecture. They built a Hybrid Mamba-Transformer MoE. This is the absolute bleeding edge of AI design. They took Mamba, 2 layers, which process massive sequences in linear time to keep memory footprints low, and interleave them with standard transformer attention layers for razor-sharp recall accuracy. But the real breakthrough is the Latent MoE revolution. Standard mixture of expert models experience massive bottlenecks when routing data. Nemotron-3 avoids this entirely by projecting the data into a compressed, low-rank latent space before the routing decisions are even made. This allows the model to consult significantly more experts without incurring any extra computational cost. It is a masterpiece of engineering. And it is fast. By utilizing multi-token prediction, Nemotron-3 doesn't just guess the next word, it predicts multiple future tokens simultaneously, delivering a 3x wall clock speedup right out of the box with built-in speculative decoding. How did they make it so smart? They trained this model natively in 4-bit precision on a staggering 25 trillion tokens, followed by supervised fine-tuning on millions of highly curated coding and logic samples. They then ran it through a relentless multi-environment reinforcement learning gauntlet inside the Nemo gym. Nvidia recommends a brilliant Super plus Nano deployment pattern. You use their ultra-lightweight 3 billion parameter nano model as your rapid router, and you push the heavy multi-step complex reasoning task to the 128 billion parameter super model. The efficiency benchmarks are insane, showing massive throughput gains over models like Qwen 230B. And the absolute best part, it is completely open source. Nvidia has dropped the open model weights directly onto Hugging Face alongside an exhaustive technical report on ArcSieve. It is fully available, fully secure, and ready for private on-premises deployment. Look closely at this maximum efficiency chart because the performance data here is absolutely staggering. When tested on a single Nvidia H200 Tensor Core GPU, the Nemotron-3 Nano variant delivers a massive 3.3 times higher throughput compared to competing models like Qwen 230B. It is leaving the competition in the dust, completely dominating the ruler. 1 million token long context benchmark suite with superior exact match retrieval scores. But here is the real industry shocker. Nvidia isn't gatekeeping this technology behind a massive corporate paywall. They have launched a fully open innovation ecosystem. They are literally handing developers the keys to the kingdom. Waits for secure, private on-premises deployment, the exhaustive technical reports, and immediate, zero-friction free API access routed seamlessly through OpenRouter. But let's stop looking at charts and actually put this trillion-dollar company's tech to the test. I am loading up the Nemotron-3 Super model entirely for free via OpenRouter. First, the classic logic trap. I ask it, how many R's are in the word strawberry? We instantly see the model open a dedicated reasoning block. It breaks the word down, maps the exact positions of the letters, and correctly outputs 3. Perfect logical deduction. But let's push it to the absolute limit. I give it a massive real-world task. I'm a truck driver making around $65,000 a year, and I'm aiming to retire in 30 years. Could you draft up a portfolio management proposal? Watch this execution. In just 8 seconds, Nemotron-3 opens its reasoning block and does the actual complex financial math. It factors in a 2% long-term inflation rate and a 6% nominal return. It correctly calculates that to live comfortably, this driver needs a target nest egg of $1.3 million, requiring a monthly savings contribution of exactly $334. It then generates a flawless agency-grade markdown report. It builds an executive summary, outlines the mathematical assumptions, maps out a complete sliding scale asset allocation based on age brackets, and gives a prioritized checklist from 401k matches to Roth IRAs, ending with strict risk management contingencies. This isn't just text generation, this is a fully autonomous financial analyst operating in seconds. Models like Nemotron-3 are completely changing the landscape of the world. But having access to a genius-level open-source brain is completely useless if you do not know how to build the digital body to put it in. If you want to stop typing basic prompts and start building fully autonomous multi-agent AI workforces that execute tasks 24/7, you need to join my private community, the AI Money Forge. We just crossed 230 dedicated members, and we just dropped a massive update with over 120 new AI lessons. Inside, I give you the exact step-by-step blueprints on how to deploy OpenClaw, orchestrate MaxClaw agents, and plug these incredible open-source models directly into your business to generate real revenue. We are a thriving network of elite builders and agency owners. Stop renting your AI, start owning your infrastructure. Click the link in the description to join the AI Money Forge right now, and let's build your empire. I'll see you inside.